Hello everyone, Planner 5D has just released 4K renders, and in this video we explore how to render 4K image on Planner 5D and what it looks like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight into it. Let's head over to one of our projects on the web version. Once you have the project open in 2D, hit the toggle switch to switch over to 3D mode. And when you are ready, set your camera into position. Once your scene is in position, tap the camera icon and select the 4K option. If you are a new user, then I would highly recommend that you always select the draft render first before making high definition snapshots. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of realistic snapshots too. Planner 5D, let's make the magic happen. And voila! Now if you'd like to join Planner 5D, then please sign up using my affiliate link that you'll find in the description below. Planner 5D just recently released a pro version which comes with a bunch of exciting new features. It entails an all-in-one solution for design pros, the ultimate interior design platform to help you create stunning projects, wow, and even win over new clients. If you didn't know already, Planner 5D is a powerful and easy to use 3D floor planner that you can use on your mobile, tablet or PC. You can easily convert a floor plan to 3D in a matter of seconds. What really great release is the 4K realistic renders that Planner 5D is currently offering to pro users. You can still generate high definition 2K images on the individual plan. The Planner 5D Pro version also allows you to list your interior design services on their platform, which potential clients are able to see and hire you. More exciting features coming soon includes 360 walkthroughs that you can share with your clients, as well as creating inspiring mood boards for them directly on the app. Plus the feature of communicating directly with clients via Planner 5D's trusted network. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.